Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how I built this under sofa drawer. I started by cutting the bottom and the side walls using 9mm plywood and the divider out of 18mm plywood. To give it a nice look, I decided to add some jute fabric to the front panel. I pre-drilled some holes and I used my jigsaw to cut out this area. This cut doesn't have to be perfect as it won't be visible. Then I cut the fabric to size. On my miter saw, I cut the pine trims to build the front panel. I will put the fabric between this and the previously cut plywood. Then I quickly sanded them by hand. After this, I used wood glue and hold them together with clamps until the glue sets. The next step is to attach the fabric to the backside. I used my staple gun, but you can also use hot glue to avoid having a gap between the two pieces of panels, as you will see later in this video. It's not a big gap, but I would prefer not to have any. Then I covered the fabric with the plywood using a nail gun. I moved on to putting the box together. Starting with the back side, I used here also glue and nails. Then I added the sides of the box. Having a corner clamp helped me a lot and made my job easier. Some of the nails went sideways, so I just removed them and filled the hole with a mix of glue and sawdust. I used a couple of clamps to mark where I want the divider and glued it exactly in the middle. On the bottom of the storage, I used the speed square and spirit level to locate where I needed to put the nails. Before putting the front panel on, I added a knob to be able to move the storage easily. I did not use nails on this panel as I wanted a nice clean look from the front. As my clamps were not long enough, I used two of them to hold the whole piece together while the glue sets. Then I turned it on the side and put some weight on it. After waiting hours to be sure the glue is set, I added small castor wheels. As a final step, I applied a layer of wood protection cream. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload a new content. Like and share this video to help the channel grow. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram.